You can count yourself among the fortunate individuals who are witnessing the moment a new technology emerges. It happens just a few times in every industry, and the heating and cooling industry is having its own revolution right now. By now, you may have even heard about the Honeywell Enalasys home scan diagnostic test. The coming years will point back to this new technology as a wonderful breakthrough. It's not unlike how an MRI revolutionized medical diagnostics, replacing primitive and less reliable methods of testing the human body for problems. The Honeywell Enalasys home scan diagnostic test is fully computerized. The computer is set up, generally in a central location. While this is going on, the diagnostic technician will explain to the homeowner what he'll be doing. The air conditioning system is turned off while the technician checks airflow. The technician collects information on each room, such as the number and size of registers and any comfort issues perceived by the homeowner. The more he knows about the homeowner's experience, the more he'll be able to tell exactly what can be done to correct any of these issues. At the end of the tour, the information collected is entered into the computer. The diagnostic technician then connects an airflow hood outside to the air conditioner condensing unit. This hood will collect temperature, airflow, and humidity of the air coming from the unit. All of this information is sent back to the computer via radio signals. The remote sensor is the last sensor set into place. It's placed where the majority of the duct system is located. It sends information via radio signals to the laptop at the same time other readings are transmitted. Once all the sensors are in place, the computer instructs the technician to place the airflow hood on each return air grill. This unit measures the airflow in cubic feet per minute, temperature, and relative humidity going into the system from each return grill. Once the hood is placed over the return grill, the technician activates a button, and the unit collects the information for 22 seconds and relays it back to the computer. 1,800 readings are taken during this period. The first series of tests measured the air going into the system and sent that information to the computer via radio signals. The technician then goes around the home again, now checking the airflow coming from the system by holding the supply airflow hood over each of the supply air registers. Again, by activating the button for the hood, the information is collected for 22 seconds and sent back to the computer. Once all the airflow readings have been taken and transmitted back to the computer, the technician now turns the cooling system on. It will take from 15 to 20 minutes for the system to stabilize so that the computer can track exactly what's going on with the cooling part of the system. While the system is stabilizing, the technician analyzes the airflow readings on the computer screen. These readings give him an indication of where to look for duct leaks or other airflow problems within the system. The technician now does a visual check of the various areas indicated by the airflow testing. The computer has told him where to look, and now he looks for duct leaks, poor insulation, and areas where air is either being drawn in or escaping from the system. As he finds areas needing repair, he documents the finding, often using a digital camera. This shows the homeowner what the problem is, as well as directing the repair technician to prepare for correcting the problem. All of the readings are now checked, and the technician prepares a summary about the home heating and cooling system. With the test completed, the computer prints a report showing the condition of the heating and cooling system. The report is reviewed with the homeowner to show the current condition of the home, along with the repairs needed to correct any deficiencies. At this point, the homeowner may elect to put the work on a do-it-yourself list, or add it to the repair estimate, or decide not to have that particular repair completed. Once this review is completed, an estimate of the work is prepared for the homeowner. The second phase includes other recommendations made by the technician to increase comfort and save energy costs. These might include a high-efficient filter system and other areas of potential home comfort and energy improvement. At this point, the homeowner can elect to proceed with the repairs and schedule a date for having them completed, or take the information to discuss and decide later. The most important result of the test is that the homeowner will now have reliable computerized test results that will empower them to make informed decisions about the comfort and value of their home.